Now let's take a look at business news, where toilet and bathroom cleaning brand Harpic partnered with the Ministry of Health to educate residents of Migori and Nairobi Counties on the importance of toilet hygiene in observance of this year's World Toilet Day. Thousands of Kenyans gathered to learn practical ways to improve toilet hygiene in line with this year's theme, Toilets, a Place for Peace.
40% of rural communities in Kenya still rely on unimproved toilet facilities that do not offer adequate hygiene benefits. While Kenya has made substantial progress in sanitation, 8.5% of the population still practiced open defecation as of 2022. The country aims to be open defecation free by 2030. Reckitt Kenya Regulatory Head Dr. James Mokoro says it is essential to ensure that sanitation and water services are resilient, effective, accessible to everyone, and shielded from harm.
This is a major milestone when it comes to disease prevention of communicable nature, including helminths. These are the parasites and the like. The Ministry of Health, in collaboration with the county governments, wants to reach each and every member of the society, those even at the lowest level of the community.
Reckitt, through its Harpic brand, has been driving awareness on hygienic toilets over the last 8 years through the door-to-door program that educates consumers on the need for proper sanitation and training them on how to ensure a clean, hygienic toilet.
It's not a privilege, and because it's a right, we want to make sure that everybody is aware of the need for such activity where everybody is involved.
In Nairobi, Harpic partnered with the Nairobi County government to promote toilet hygiene at AEF Primary School in Mokoro Kwaruben by educating the community on maintaining cleanliness in public toilets.